Natalie, here we are, and this is the entrance to the garage, and the garage at the bottom, the veranda, everything is just topsy-turvy. It looks like well, the bookcases seem to be in good condition. The living room, back verandas, you know. Ooh. Master bedroom, closet and bathroom can't open, they're stuck. Second bedroom, and if you can see outside, you can see the tree that fell on the house right there, and the third bedroom, all the same. Everything turned over. Yeah. I'm heading to the kitchen. Girl settee, everything, Natalie, everything. I can't even find one of my kerosene lamp. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bathroom. Are you throw something on the zinc, John? And this area.